Hey everybody, welcome back to another one of my videos. Sorry about that glare, but yeah. So today I will be opening a squishy package, and it's pretty much like my last squishy that I ordered from the person, but I don't know why they came separate. So yeah, let's just get the scissors so we can open this. I also want to point out this stuff right here because it's just like in Japanese, and it's just stuff. I probably put it upside down. So it's just this stuff. So we're just going to be opening it, and you guys get the first peek. Hopefully I'm not cutting anything. Oh, I think I'm cutting my shirt. Okay. I think I got it. Okay, you guys get the first peek. If you guys can see. Oh. It is this squishy. Kind of surprising. Nothing else. Oh, I got this whole package from Sean Liu. I don't know. So here is the ice cream. It just has a blue swirl with like regular ice cream, and this does not come out. So yeah. And it was supposed to be jumbo, but yeah, let's see if we can take off this little tag thing. Nope, I ripped it. Okay, well, now there's a hole. Well, yeah, there's a hole somewhere. See that? Okay, well, we're just going to take it out of packaging if I even can. Okay. So here is the squishy itself. My lighting is so horrible. Sorry about that background, guys, but here is the squishy. Here's this. And I think I said this no, I didn't say this already. It smells like nothing, but then it smells like chemicals. I don't know. It just doesn't really smell like anything. So let's just give it a squish. It's not that slow rising. It's pretty squishy though. It's really soft. And the detailing's pretty good also. Again, my lighting's horrible. Like, yeah. It's super cute though. I really hope, like compared to my hand, it's pretty small. So yeah, guys. Oh, and there's no defects. Yeah, no defects as I see. So thank you for all my squishy packages, whatever your name was. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoy this video. Leave a squishy dear comment down below. Like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.